Hi, this is Anand Mahajan, your instructor for this course. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to create a database and its tables using MySQL Workbench.
This video is brought to you by OppiePies Academy.
In the previous lecture, we people had learned what is a DBMS, what is a database, and what are the tables. Tables are also called relations. The DBMS actually provides users and programmers with a way to create, update, and manage data. Or we can say that DBMS serves as an interface between the database and application program. Now I will let you know how to download MySQL Workbench. It's very easy to download MySQL Workbench because it's an open source, it's a free software. You can download it from the following link. It's https dev.mysql.com/download/workbench. So this is a simple way to download the MySQL Workbench, and on this link you will find various versions, and I would suggest you to download the latest one. And 6.3.8 version, this one was the latest one when I downloaded it from the above link, and it's going to be an MSI file, which is your Microsoft Windows installer file. You can simply double click on this file and your installation will take place without any hassles. Now let me go to the MySQL Workbench, and we will see that how we people can create a database and its tables. Now what I am going to do is I will click on local instance MySQL, and when I will click on this, whatever password you have set at the time of installation, that will be provided. Okay, so I had clicked on local connection, local instance, and here we go. This is the place where we can create a database. How to create it? See, click on this icon. It has got a note like so create a new schema in the connected server. So that means schema means your database. Okay, so it is asking for the name. Suppose I'm going to give the name products. So this is going to be my database name, schema name. I would click on apply. Okay, a wizard is going to be run. Click on this, click on finish. As simple as that. Okay, now you can see on the left panel, you will see the name of the database products, and when you will expand it, you will see tables, views, stored, procedures, functions. Right now we are going to talk about tables only. Okay, right click on the table, then choose create table, and it is asking for the table name. Suppose I want to give the table name as master. Okay, after that I will click on this double upper arrows. So here, as you know, a table consists of column names, and then we will be giving the rows, that is records. So first we will have to prepare the structure of the table. So we will have to first give the names of the columns. Suppose the name of the columns I'm going to give is first one product number, and PK stands for primary key. Primary key is the field which is unique and which cannot be left blank. That means it cannot be null. NN means not null. Okay, so our first field, that is column name, has been decided, which is product underscore NO, which stands for product number. It could be anything. And now I want to give the description. So description I want to have in varchar, which is equivalent to the string. Then I want to give suppose price of the product, and here are the data types which are available. I want to have the price as of suppose of let it be of decimal data type. Okay, then I will click on apply. I have specified 3 columns: product number, description and price. You can give as many columns as you want. Now I will click on apply. Okay, let me change the this data type. Let it be int. Then I will click on apply, click apply, finish. So structure of your database has been created. Now again, go to the left panel, click on the tables. After expanding it, you will see the name of the table that you have created, name of which was master. Press the, now I want to give the rows, the records for this table. Right click on the name of the table which was master, then click on select rows. When I will click on select rows, I will find this this particular table where I can type the values for my table. Suppose I have given the product number as 101, it could be anything, and suppose description is this one, laptop, and this is the price, then 102 product number. This is we have entered into the second row, and this is suppose TV, and let it be 1000. It's all hypothetical data. 103, and let it be radio, and I'm going to give it as 200. It's quite simple to give the records, and suppose table, and I'm going to give like 100. So this is how we can give the values of the columns in a table. So it's quite easy. Now click on apply. When you will click on apply, you can see the corresponding insert SQL statement. Then click on apply, finish. So you were able to create the table. So you can create as many tables as you want, and you can give the values the way I have told you. Let me tell you that we have used this GUI system, GUI, graphical user interface system, to create a database and its tables. But most of the times as a programmer, you would be required to use SQL statements. So in the next lecture, we will learning how to issue the SQL statements. So I will be discussing the SQL statements which are very commonly used by the programmers in their front end programs.